Okay, here comes with me. Now I am going to teach you how to download that grade 7 book. Okay, grade
Sir,
7
I
book
did.
එක. හරි. මේ වෙනකොට සමහරව download කරගෙන ඇති. නේද? How to download grade 7. Okay, simply go like this. edupub dot government dot lk. Okay, so this is the website. හැමෝම දැකලා ඇති මේ වෙබ්සයිට් එක. So this is www.edupub.government.lk. I'll send you the link also. හරි. ඔන්න මම link එක එව්වා chats වලට ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට message එකක් ඇවිල්ලා ඇති. So you can click on that edupub.government.lk.
Okay, sir.
Good. And now look at this. Select the book language. හරි ඉස්සෙල්ලා මම කරනවා බලා ගන්නකෝ. Select the book language. So we are English medium, English. Here's the grade 7. Okay, now I press next. Here's subjects. So science part 1. අපිට පොත් දෙකක් තියෙනවා පුතේ ඔන්න. හරි? Part 1 and part 2. Okay, now I am going to download that science part 1. Yes, it's downloading now. Science part 1. Okay. Then මෙහෙම open වුණොත් ඔයාලට phone වලින් download පුළුවන්. So simply I can download that here. Download. Then we can see that it's downloading. Okay. And it asks to save. Okay. Then I ask to save it. You can see here it's downloading. Now complete. When I touch this, it is open in third party software I use. Okay.
Sir, I have a grade 7 book.
Good. හැමෝටම නෑ පුතා සමහර අයට තියෙනවා. Okay. Now look at this. මොනවද තියෙන්නේ කියලා පොඩ්ඩක් බලමු.
Plant diversity.
බලන්නකෝ ඉස්සරලාම තියෙන්නේ plant diversity. So we have to learn different types of plants, existence of variety of plants, content, plant diversity, and very good lesson, very interesting part, static electricity. Okay. And next, how to generate electricity. Electricity. අපි ආසම එක ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා නේද?
Yes, sir.
Good. How to charge an object. Okay. Next, functions of water. වතුරේ ක්‍රියාකාරීත්වය. හරි? එතකොට acids and bases, a nice lesson. Yes, at the beginning with we have done this plant diversity, then you have to do animal diversity. First plant diversity, then animal diversity. එහෙනම් අපි බලමු. Okay, let's see. Forms of energy and uses. මතකද? Kinetic energy, potential energy, electrical energy, sound energy, light energy, heat and thermal
Sir,
energy. Finally,
excuse me, sir.
yes?
You teach that we are jumping from a tower.
Yeah. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Jumping from a tower, and you have already kept them in your mind. මේවා දැනටමත් මතකයිනේ? බලන්නකො අපි 6 වසරේදීම grade 7 ඒවා ඉගෙනගෙන. Okay, we have already learned them. Jumping from a telecommunication tower, as I remember. I took example. ලක්ෂිකවද මන්ද මං උඩ ඉඳන් අතේවි. Nature of the earth and light. Yes, the correct use of microscope. දැන් එතකොට ඉවර වෙනවද? No. Okay, next thing we have to do, we have to go to the second book. තවත් පොතක් තියෙනවා. මේ අපි book 1 තමයි කතා කළේ. නේද? Okay, let's see that. I think අපි ඒකට download කරමු. I simply go back. Science part 2. Sound. Okay. The production of sound, propagation of sound. Next, biological process, organizational levels of the life. අපි body එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන මේ organ systems ඉගෙන ගන්න යනවා. Okay, so those are the things to be learnt. Atmosphere, heat and temperature, force and motion, nutrients in foods, minerals and rocks, sources of energy. බොහොම ටිකයි ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන්නේ. ලක්ෂික
Yes, sir.
මොකද කියන්නේ? අපි ඉගෙන ගමුනේ.
Okay, sir.
What do you think? Let's start from the first lesson. අදම පටන් ගමුද වැඩි?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Good.
sir.
Let's start. අද පටන්
Okay,
ගමු.
sir.
හරි. Let's take the first book. Plant diversity. Okay, let's see the content of it first. Plant diversity. Okay, so this is variety of plants exist in nature. So it has been explained here. There are different types of plants on this earth. So this is known as diversity of plants. Okay, let's move ahead. Diversity of flowers, diversity of leaves, main parts of a flowering plant. Yes, we have to know the parts of a flowering plants. Diversity of the parts of flowering plants. Okay, so that's a nice tute for this. මේක ලස්සන tute එකකුත් තියෙනවා. හරි මම ඒකත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට එවන්නම්. Functions of roots of plants. This is an activity based lesson, therefore I will send you a printed note. Then mails එනවා අපිට ලියුම් එනවා නේද? මට ලෙටර් එකක් ඇවිල්ලා තිබ්බා කියන්නේ තැපැල් සේවය ක්‍රියාත්මකයි. So I can send you. හරි එහෙනම් yes, functions of roots, different types of roots and their functions. Diversity around stems. ගස්වල කඳ stem එක ගැන. Functions of the stem. So those are the things you have to learn. Okay. So a nice lesson. So you have to take much knowledge from this. Okay. Let's learn. Now I stop the share. Morphological features of flowering plants. Good. What's our topic? මොකද්ද පුතේ topic එක? Plants?
Plants diversity.
Plants diversity.
Diversity.
Good. හරි. එහෙනම් අපි topic එක ලියාගමු. Okay, let's take down the topic. Plants diversity. Okay, so what does it mean by the term diversity? Diversity කියන වචනයෙන් අදහස් වෙන්නේ මොකක්ද?
The
Diversity.
function.
No. Diversity. Diversity means different. Difference. විවිධත්වය. Diversity. Difference. ලක්ෂික. Diversity means difference. විවිධ. විවිධ වූ දේවල් තියෙනකොට විවිධත්වයක්. That's the singular term. විවිධත්වය. Okay? Okay, let's write. What's known to be the plant diversity? Question එකක් විදිහට මම දානවා. What is known to be the plant diversity? What does it mean by, or what is known to be the plant diversity? Okay, take down the main topic and the first question. Chamot, can you read this? Good. I think all of you have taken down that. So, මොකද්ද ශාක විවිධත්වය? What does it mean by plant diversity කියලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගෙන් කෙනෙක් ඇහුවොත්? So you answer like this. Okay? Rifki, existence of පැවතීම. Existence. Don't write existence. Existence of variety. 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 Existence. What does it mean by existence? පැවැත්ම. Existence of variety of plants in the environment existence of variety of plants in the environment is known as existence of variety of plants in the environment is known as existence of variety of plants in the environment is known as the plant diversity variety of plants. What does it mean by variety of plants? Rifki, variety of plants?
Different types of.
Very good. Variety of plants means different types of plants. Lakshmika, where these different types of plants exist? කොයිද මේ different types of plants තියෙන්නේ?
Environment.
In the environment. Very good. So different types of plants exist in the environment. Rashmika, you have a whiteboard behind you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the next day, keep your mobile phone or your camera as it is focused to your whiteboard. Okay. So if I ask you to write something, you can write there. Is that good for you? මොකද කියන්නේ හොඳද?
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's try for that. Okay. Then you becomes a teacher. Teacher කෙනෙක් වෙනවා එතකොට. Okay. So සංජනා පුතා disconnect වෙනව නේද සංජනා? සංජනා mic එක on කරන්න පුළුවන් දැන්?
Okay, sir.
Good. ඔයාට හොඳට ඇහෙනව නේද කියන එක?
Yes, sir.
Good. You can nicely and clearly hear. So what happens to our Chamod? I think he is disconnected. පුළුවන් නම් call එකක් දාන්න. Okay. The environment is known as the plant diversity. So existence of පැවැත්ම මොනව තියෙන එකද මොනව පවතින එකද? Existence of variety of plants in the environment is known as plant diversity. මේ කැල්ල අපි අතින් දාන එකක් නේ. මෙන්න definition එක චුට්ටයි. Okay. So the environment, let's try to understand this definition from the end of the sentence. Okay. End is the environment, පරිසරය. In the environment, පරිසරයේ, okay, variety of plants. විවිධ ශාක පරිසරයේ existence පැවතීම. Okay, existence of variety of plants in the environment is known as the plant
Plant diversity.
diversity. Very good. Rifki, can you tell this alone?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now tell me that.
Existence of variety in the environment is
Variety of
known
plants
as
in the environment.
variety of plants in the environment is known as the plant diversity.
It's known as the plant diversity. Okay, Lakshika, can you tell this? Okay, Behua.
Existence of variety of plants in the environment is known as the plant diversity.
Very good. හරි. එහෙනම් හැමෝම අපි එක පාඩම් කරගමු. දැනට ලියා ගන්න. Okay, now take this down. Yes, plant diversity. So this is grade 7, first lesson.
So finish writing.
Yes, you have finished with the writing.
Yes, sir. Me too.
Good. Amandi, can you clearly see this? Vihara Amandi, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, now I am going to erase this. Okay, so you have to cram එක පාඩම් කරන්න ඕන. ඉතින් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ parents ලත් අහගෙන ඇති මේ ඔයාලා ලියන දේවල්. ඉතින් මම මතකද කියලා අම්මා තාත්තත් අහලා බලන්න ඕනේ. නිකම්ම පාඩම් කරුවද කියනකට වඩා මොකක්ද අර මේ plant diversity කියන්නේ කියලා අහපුවාම ඔයගොල්ලෝ existence of variety of plants in the environment is known as the plant diversity කියලා කියන්න හැකියාව තියෙන්න ඕන. Okay, good. Let's move. Okay, how do you identify that there's a difference between plants? Okay, so do you feel all the plants look like similar? No,
No.
no. Just as you look at a coconut plant and mango plant, so you can see the differences. ඔයගොල්ලෝ mango plant එකයි
The
coconut
mango
plant
plant is bushy, but the coconut plant is tall.
coconut plant is tall, mango plant
The
is
mango
bushy,
plant is bushy, like
bush
bushy.
like. Okay, there are some bushy mango as well as there are some tall mangoes. Okay, bush means, okay, look at this. This is a bush.
Oh,
Okay, look at this bush, a bushy plant. Tell me example.
Grass.
සමහර තියෙනවා මේ පඳුරු දානවානේ bush එකක්.
Yes, sir.
Bushy. Sometimes in bushes, special thing we cannot see the stem. Stem එක පේන්නෙත් නැහැ in this bush. Okay, and trees we can see the stem.
but we can't see leaves.
Yes, we cannot see. We can see
Leaves.
leaves. If we go to closer, we can see leaves. So you can see branching of stem, branched stem. There are some of plants no branches. Okay, it's like this. Okay, no branches. Now you know what's this plant. Okay.
Sir, we should draw this.
Yes? No, you should not draw this. I merely explain. I give you an introduction. මම පොඩි හැඳින්වීමක් දෙන්න. මගේ ප්‍රශ්නෙට තාම උත්තරය ආවේ නැහැ. Okay? How do you identify that there's a difference? මේ plants අතර වෙනසක් තියෙනවා කියලා ඔයා අඳුනගන්නේ මොන වගේද? Okay.
Leaves.
By leaves. Very good. Leaves. Then in flowering season, there are different types of flowers. Okay. There are different flowers. Look at this root system.
Yes.
In coconut trees, roots
Taproot
like
and
this.
fibrous root.
Yes, you know that.
Yes.
And in the case of some other plants, you can see this mudunmula, taproot,
Is the taproot
and lateral.
fibrous root.
No, lateral roots. Okay, here's the fibrous root. Fibrous root තියෙනවා සමහර අයගේ taproot තියෙනවා. This is fibrous. Fibrous, fibrous root. එහෙනම්, so then you identify the different plants by observing their external features. බාහිර ලක්ෂණ වලින් තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ අඳුනගන්නේ. There are different types of plants. There are variety of plants. Okay, let's take down that. මේ බාහිර ලක්ෂණ වලට, these different external features are known as external, don't write, external morphological. External morphological lakshana features. Okay, external morphological features. I think that's clear for you. Okay? External morphological features. Now take down. Diversity. Then Leand. Diversity of plants.
So is that a heading?
No, that's a point. Look at this. This is a point. Diversity of plants occur. Diversity singular. Diversity of plants occurs due to different morphological features. Morphological features. Lakshmika, tell me another similar word for features. Features වලට මට similar word එකක් කියන්න.
Diversity.
No, diversity means විවිධත්වය. Morphological features බාහිර ලක්ෂණ. බාහිර features ලක්ෂණ. Morphological features. Features කියන්නේ ලක්ෂණ. ලක්ෂණ වලට තවත් වචනයක්. You know that. Characteristics. හැමෝටම අමතකයි නේද දැන්? Okay. Morphological characteristics කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. මම මේවා අමතක වෙන නිසායි නැවත නැවත මතක් කරන්නේ. Diversity of plants occurs due to different morphological features or different morphological characteristics. Okay, සෙනුර 6F එකේ ඉන්න සෙනුර පොතා, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are the Senura in Sandalankawa?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Earlier you came with another phone, no? කලින් ආව වෙන phone එකකින්ද?
නෑ, sir.
ඔව් දැන් ඔයා Senura 6F කියලා ඒ නමින් ආවා. ඊට පස්සේ phone දෙක මාරු කළාද?
නෑ, sir. නෑ, අර දෙකම ආවනේ. මේකෙන් ඇහෙන්නේ නැතුව ගිහිල්ලා.
දෙකෙන්ම ආවොත් අරකින් සද්ද ඇහෙනවා එහෙමනේ. ඒක තමයි මට නිකන් ෆීඩ්බැක් වෙනම ඇහුණා. දෙකකින් ආවොත් එහෙම අර දෝංකාර සද්දයක් එනවා. කියන දේ දෙපාරක් ඇහෙනවා. යාළුවෝ දෙන්නෙක් හරි ළඟ හිටියොත් එහෙම ෆෝන් දෙකක් තියාගෙන මොකද වෙන්නේ? That feedback. මේකට කියන්නේ ප්‍රතිපෝෂණය. Feedback sound is coming. Then why did you send this hi message? යනවාද කියලා බලන්න hi කියලා ගැහුවද message එක? Okay.
ඒක යන හැටි මම දන්නේ නෑ, sir.
හරි. Good. ඔයා දාපු hi කියන message එක ආවා ඈ? Now good. Okay. Let's move. Diversity of plants occur due to different morphological features. Now take down this.
So I have finished writing.
So I have finished my writing. So I have finished. So I am finished writing.
Right. තියන. Sorry පුතා. තාත්තා කෙනෙක් call කළා. Okay. So this diversity of plants occur due to the different morphological features or characteristics. Okay. Let's move to the next point. Makanna.
Okay, sir.
Good. Mainly, there are two types of plants in this world. මේ ලෝකයේ විතරක් ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන් තියෙනවා plants වර්ග දෙකක්. Okay? One is flowering plants, the other one non-flowering plants. Mainly, there are two types of plants. First one, flowering plants. Second one, non-flowering. මල් හට ගන්නේ නැති. Non-flowering plants. Okay, there are two types of plants, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. මට කියන්න බලන්න මිනාගි ආන්‍ය, tell me example for a flowering plant.
Ivana.
Yes, flowering plant. Only flowering plant. මලක් ඇති වෙනවා නම් එයාට කියන අපි flowering plant කියලා. Okay, so flowering plants are the plants that bear flowers. අපි ගමු එතෙන්ට. Okay, flowering plants are the plants that bear flowers. Okay, that bearing flowers. Okay, next type, second type, non-flowering plants. Okay, we write non-flowering plants are the plants that do not bear flowers. Okay, now take it down. Okay, now you can see
So I have finished writing.
you have finished writing. Good. Okay, look at this. Can you see this
Yes, sir.
in this plant? Okay, what's this? This is known as Neprolopis. මෙයාට කියන්නේ Neprolopis. Fern එකක්. එයාගේ flowers දකින්න ලැබෙන්නේ නැහැ. Okay, so this non-flowering plant, ferns, it cannot produce flowers. Therefore, we call it non-flowering plant. So another plant is Cycas. මඩු ශාකය seekers. Okay, look at this. I think this one. I'll show you one. Okay, there are two seekers plants, male plant and female plant. It looks like a flower. බලන්න මැද්දේ මලක් වගේ හැදිලා තිබුණාට පුතායි මලක් නෙමෙයි. So that's the megasporophytes. We call that seeds. මේ තියෙන්නේ seeds. මලක් නැතුව seeds හැදුනොත් ගෙඩියක් නැහැ. Seeds ඇට ටික විතරක් එළියේ තියෙනවා. Okay? So they are known as naked seeded plants because as there's no flower, no fruit. දැන් බලන්නකෝ අඹ ගෙඩියක් හැදෙන්න කලින් අඹ මලක් හැදෙනවා. There's a mango flower. Okay? Therefore, mango seed is covered with the fruit. Mango seed එක fruit එකකින් මේ ඵලයකින් ආවරණය වෙනවා. Look at this. Okay. I stop the share. Sharing stop කරපුවාම පොඩ්ඩක් අපහැදිලි වෙයි ටිකක් වෙලා යනකම්. Okay, now you can see this. This is a flower. Okay. And you can see this flower and it is connected with
That is the sepal.
yes, this is sepal and these are petals. Okay, with the time what happens? This becomes a fruit. This becomes a fruit. Okay, and you can see these petals are degenerating. It drops and remaining parts look like this. And we can see seeds inside this. Okay, seeds inside the fruit. Fruit එක ඇතුලේ seed එක හැදෙනවා. Seeds are produced. මේ seeds හැදෙන්නේ seeds are produced when only there's a flower. Flower එකක් තිබ්බොත් විතරයි fruit එකක් හැදෙන්නේ. If there's a flower, a fruit is created and then seeds are covered with the fruit. එහෙනම් මතක තියාගන්න. කොහොමද මතක තියාගන්න? මලක් හැදුනොත් if there's a flower, there is a fruit. If there's a flower, there is a fruit. Then seeds are covered with the fruit. ඒක ඇතුලේ තියෙන seed fruit එකෙන් cover වෙනවා. ලක්ෂික, is that clear for you?
Yes, sir.
කොහොමද කියන්නේ? If there's a flower තිබ්බොත් it makes a fruit. Fruit එක ඇතුලේ මොනවද තියෙන්නේ?
Seeds.
Seeds. Good. දැන් මාර වැඩක් වෙනවා. හොඳ වැඩක් වෙනවා සමහර ගස් වර්ගයකට. කවුද? Non-flowering plants වලට ෂෝක් වැඩක් වෙනවා. What happens to these non-flowering plants? They don't have flower. They don't have fruits. But sometimes they produce seeds. සමහර ලාට seeds හදනවා ඒගොල්ලෝ. සමහර ගස් වර්ග තියෙනවා seed හදන්නේ. No seeds and with seeds and without seed. බැරි වෙලා හරි seeds හැදුවොත් එයාලව cover කරගන්න fruit එක තියෙනවද? Is there fruit? No fruit because no flower. එහෙම වෙලාවට seeds ටික එළි. Seeds ඔහෙ එළි. ඇට ටික එළි. ඉතින් සුද්ධෝ මේකට නමක් කියන මොකක්ද? මේ plants වලට සුදු ජාතිකයෝනේ මේව හොයාගත්තේ. ඒගොල්ලෝ කියනවා naked seed plants. මොනවද පුතා කියන්නේ? naked seed plants. කවුද උදාහරණ?
Plants.
Seekers. මඩු. Naked.
Sneakers.
Naked means no clothes. ඇඳුන්නේ. හරි? No clothes. Seed ටික එළියේ. හරි? Okay. Rifki. So that's known as naked seed plants. මම මේක තවත් කියලා දෙන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පස්සේ. Okay, now simply take down this because we have to tell basically there are two types of plants, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Good. Is that clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
බලන්න ලියාගත්තු කට්ටිය මට 1 කියලා message කරන්න. Umesha okay, Vihara Nandi okay.
Sir, message එකේ කොහොමද?
ඔතන ඇති පුතා chat කියලා. ඔයා කලින් මේ hi කියලා එවලා තිබ්බේ. 1. ලක්ෂික 1.
Teacher, sir, ඒ වැරදිම කියවනේ.
හරි කමක් නැහැ.
කොහොමද එවන්නේ කියලා මම දන්නේ නැහැ මේ වැඩි ගැන.
Okay, if you don't know, you can simply tell me that. හරි. වැඩි තේරුණා. Tishan, Minagi, good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. කීප දෙනෙක් මට okay කරලා තිබ්බා. Good. ඔයාලගේ window එකේ තියෙන reaction කියලා එකක්. එතන thumb up තියෙනවා. Okay. ඒක දාන්නත් පුළුවන් අපිට ඕන. Okay, good. Next. We are going to do very interesting part. අපි ඊළඟට කරන්න යන්නේ හරිම රසවත් දෙයක්. මොකද්ද? We are going to draw and name the parts of a plant. Okay. Before that, take down a question. හැමෝම මට මේක කරලා එවන්න ඕන. Take down this question. What are the examples for? Take down the question. What are the examples for? What are the examples for? What are the examples for flowering plants, flowering plants and non-flowering? What are the examples for flowering plants and non-flowering plants? එහෙනම් මල් තියෙන plants වලට yes plants that bear flowers. ඒවට examples මට පහක් විතර ලියුවහම ඇති. For non-flowering plants you have to give me several examples. Okay, so that's how you write the answers. Good. Now, next topic. identification of the main parts of a flowering plants. මල් හටගන්නා ශාකයක ප්‍රධාන කොටස්. Okay, so we have to name those parts. Okay, just take down the topic. Topic එක ලියාගෙන මට finish කියලා කියන්න.
Finished.
Good.
Finish, sir.
Good.
Done, sir.
You have done it. Tishan?
Yeah.
Did you write it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to draw this. Now you have to keep your pen aside. Pen පැත්තකින් තියන්න. හොඳට බලාගන්න. This is a flowering plant, okay? Okay, this is the ground where the plant exists. And you can see the main root or the taproot. I'm drawing this taproot, okay? Sometimes these flowering plants have taproot, but there are some instances then coconut වලට තියෙන fibrous root, but coconut has a flower, okay? Don't mistake that. So this is the root, okay? And you can see the stem. මේක ඇද වුණාට කමක් නෑ, ගස් කෙලින් යන්නේ නෑනේ. නේද ලක්ෂ්මික? ගහක් කෙලින් හැදෙන්නේ නෑනේ.
Yes.
Good. And you can see this tip of the plant.
So shall I draw this?
No, you have to observe first. ඉස්සෙල්ලා බලන් ඉන්න. Then you can draw a nice plant. Okay, now leaves. Look at this. A simple plant. These are the leaves, and you can see this apical bud. I'll zoom this later. මම මේක ලොකු කරලා පෙන්නන්නම්. Okay. Another important thing, you can see these plants, flowering plants are having, by the name you can guess, the main thing it's having is flowers. Okay, so you can observe the existence of flowers. Flowers can be seen, and when they are matured, you can see what? Fruits can be seen. So these are the fruits. Okay, Sometimes you can see the axillary buds. Axillary buds are coming. Ankura එනවා නේද? Axillary buds are coming like this. Okay, now we have to name the parts. Okay, so this is, what's this?
Roots.
Root. Actually, this is taproot. කවුද මේ ළමයාව disconnect කළේ? අමායා මේ අපිට ඔයා voice කරන්න එපා. ඇත්තට signal මදි තමයි ඔයාට. no matter message එකක් දාන්න. disconnect වෙන්නේ signal මදි වුණාම පුතා. ඉතින් ඒකට මම මේක record කරනවා. හැබැයි මම මේ record එක YouTube දාන්නේ නැහැ. කවුරු request කළොත් තමයි දාන්නේ. හරි? මොකද මේ file එක gigabyte දෙකක් විතර තියෙනවා. හරි? upload කරන්න ගියාම මට එච්චර වෙලාවක් නෑ යන්නේ upload කරන්න. ලොකු පන්ති වල අර 11 වසරේ අයියලා කළා විභාග ලියන. ඉතින් ඒගොල්ලන්ට මේ වගේම පැය 4 මේ පැය දෙක කියන්නේ පැය 4 ලොකු වීඩියෝ හැමදාම වගේ අප්ලෝඩ් කරනවා. ඉතින් ඒතකොට තමයි මේ වැඩේ ටිකක් වෙලා ගත වෙන්නේ. කමක් නැහැ මම මේක වීඩියෝ එක දාන්න කලින් වගේ. හරි? ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් වෙනවා නම් සිග්නල් හොඳට තියෙන තැනක ඉන්න ඕන. ගේ ඇතුලේ හිටියොත් ඩිස්කනෙක්ට් වෙනවාමයි. හරි? හොඳටම සිග්නල් තිබුණත් ලක්ෂික මොකද වෙන්නේ? ගේ ඇතුළට වෙලා හිටියොත් සිග්නල් වීක් වෙනවා නේද? සිග්නල් දුර්වලයි.
Sir, what is the suitable router?
Yes, suitable router is I think that's Mobitel portable one. Mobitel portable router. I think that's used by Senura. Senura පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ ඒක. Mobitel portable. And if you use dialog router, that's somewhat weak. I have 2 routers. Okay, to save the truth. Another, දෙකක්ම මං ගාව. If you have a fiber connection, that's good, but it's around 1700. 1700ක් විතර වෙනවා. Okay, what's that? පෙන්නන්න බලන්න. 4G SLT Prolink. That's good, no?
Sir, I cannot understand Sinhala. I'm very sorry.
You cannot understand Sinhala. Afrin?
Yes, sir, I cannot.
Yes. Abai, Afrin, if you are going to live in this country, if somebody blame you, you have to know. The problem is if I explain this in English to that a student with weak signal, එයාට English තාම පොඩි හින්දා grade 6 හින්දා තේරෙන්නේ. Okay, but the problem, another problem is signal problem. එයාට ඒ තේරෙන්නේ නැති හින්දා මම පොඩ්ඩක් සිංහලෙන් කිව්වේ. කොහොමවත් මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට grade 8 වලට යනකම් සිංහලෙන් පොඩ්ඩක් කතා කරනවා. මම සිංහලෙන් කතා කරනකොට සිංහල තේරෙන්නේ නැති අය පොඩ්ඩක් ඉවසගෙන අහන් ඉන්න ඕනේ. මොකද හුඟක් අයට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. If I speaking in English completely, Afrin, you also can't understand that completely. Unfortunately, I don't know that Tamil language. If I know it, definitely I use Tamil. Okay, so Afrin,
Yes, sir.
can you understand what I explain in English?
Yeah, I can understand.
Okay, so now what we are going to do here?
Sir, I was born in Kuwait, so I can't do Sinhala except only English.
Yes, you know only English, but this time I'm using only English. Okay, because majority of my country people Sinhalese. Okay, some of Sinhalese students in the early stage of learning this English medium, they don't know perfectly 100% English. You also don't know 100% English, if I communicate this in totally in English medium, then I have to tell you this in simple, very simplest way of English. Okay, that's why I always try to teach this it in a simple manner. For an instance, I can use very complex terms for these things. Okay, if I use these complex terms, you cannot understand. But when you are in grade 9, grade 10, grade 11, you will be perfect in English. I don't tell 100% perfect. Okay, if someone know 100% of English, if someone know 100% of English, he cannot explain all the things in mind in English because English is so poor. What is the developed and complex languages in this world? Afrin. Complex as described by NASA, like institutes. What are the most complex and powerful languages in this world?
Sinhala?
Sinhala second place. There's another language, I don't know that. So these are known as God languages. The best thing is if you tell something in Sinhala or Hindi, I think you know Hindi films. I remember you
Yes,
see
sir.
that. You know Hindi films. If there's no subtitles, you can understand. No? Sometimes you can guess this is that. Okay, so that's the intelligence. Okay, that's the nature of the developed language. Okay, let's do this, whatever it is. So parts of a plant, a plant එක තියෙන කොටස්. Okay, let's see, this is root. Okay, so this root is actually taproot system. Therefore this main root is taproot. My main root එක taproot. Taproot. So this is lateral. Taproot or lateral root. හුඟක් අය disconnect කරලා එනකොට only request to control the camera. Sorry, if you control camera, you can change the brightness and it is affected. What did you say? Approve that. Here onwards, I switch on to mute you when you enter the meeting room. Good. Good. Okay, now look at this. Taproot. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now all of you mute your microphones. Have microphones mute කරගන්න. And you cannot switch on it. Okay, look at this. So this is a taproot and lateral root. So both are termed as the root system. Root system. Okay, so over the ground, this part is known as shoot system. Okay, this is shoot system. Root system and shoot system. So this is stem, and you can observe these leaves. Okay, leaves, and you can observe these twigs may branches ඔගොල්ලන්ට දකින්න පුළුවන්. So these are branches, shaka. Okay, and there are some plants without these shoots. සමහර plants වලට shoots නැහැ. Sorry, branches නැහැ. Okay, branches, and you can see branches like this. Branch. And you can see flowers. Flowers. And flowers becomes fruits. මේ බලන්න flowers මොනවද වෙන්නේ? Fruits වෙනවා. Good. Flowers, fruits. Right. Stem. උඩට යනවා. Leaves. And you can see these branches. Okay. And you can see flowers. Flowers becomes fruits. And you can observe these axillary buds. Okay. These axillary buds can be seen. I'll name it. Okay. I'll take this somewhere down. Stem. Now axillary. Axillary bud. Okay, so let's see that. It's double L. මට axillary bud වලට තව කියන්න වචනයක් අපි පාවිච්චි කළා lateral roots, so by that we can use these lateral buds. Lateral buds. Lateral. Good. Okay, now you have to draw this. Then නම් අඳින්න වෙනවා. Okay. Over the ground, shoot system. Lower the ground, root system. I can't on my microphone කියලා පුතෙක් කියලා තියෙනවා. මම microphones ඔක්කොම off කරලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි? හේතුව මම මේක ඇඳ ඇඳ ඉන්නකොට කවුරු හරි mic එකක් on කළොත් screen එක පේන්නේ නැතුව ගිහිල්ලා unpin කරලා තිබෙන්නේ නැති කෙනෙකුට කතා කරන කෙනාගේ වීඩියෝ එක පේනවා. To tell that in English, okay, a friend, I have already switched off microphone because if somebody accidentally switch on their microphone when I am lecturing, what happens? The talking person's profile is shown at once, okay, and his video will be prompted, then my video is suppressed. Then you find it very difficult to uh, get what I explained totally. Okay, so you have to unpin that. අද උගන්නපුවා group එකට එවන්නම්. අදම නම් බැරි වෙයි. Because I have classes. Um, you have to solve this signal problem. If you have completed drawing this, simply send me the message 1. Now here onwards you can switch on your microphones.
Excuse me, sir, on the screen. Can't see the screen.
You can't see the screen. What happens? එක්කෙනෙක් ආව නේද? Because of who?
Yes, sir.
Because of Umesha. Okay, amongst microphones off කළේ. Afrin,
Yes, sir.
I saw your laughing smileys. What is that?
It got pressed by mistake.
It got
Pressed.
pressed accidentally.
Yeah, I was about to check number 1. That's it.
Okay. බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ උඩ තියනවද කියලා unpin කියලා. unpin කියලා ඇති බටන් එකක්. ඒක press කරපුවාම කවුරු හරි කතා කරපුවාම prompt වෙන්නේ. If somebody is talking, his or her video will not be prompted if you unpin that. And if you simply double tap my video, then you can act straight see me without any botheration. දැන් හැමෝටම පේන්නේ ටිකට කලින් පෙනුනේ රොමේෂගේ වීඩියෝ එක. එයාව තමයි හැමෝටම පෙවුනේ. බෝඩ් එක පෙවුන්නේ නැහැ නේද? එතකොට කොහොමද ඒක ගන්නෙ? How do we take that screen? Simply, yes, you have to.
We have to slide it and double tap
Very good. We have
your
to
video.
slide. Once I told you, no? Let me see. I'll take another phone. Okay. You have to take a mobile phone and you have to slide this and take my video. Take this whiteboard and double tap it. Then you can continuously see the board without no botheration. Without any botheration, you can see that. Rifki, finish with that.
Yes, sir.
Good. I think there are some of the students still drawing. Friend, did you draw this completely and name the parts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shoot system and root system, you have to name the parts of that. Tishan, still drawing or completed?
Complete.
Good.
Sir, finished. Complete, sir.
Complete.
Sir, I also complete. Sir, I
Also-
didn't finish my.
Umisha, you did not?
Right.
You just write in. Okay, write it. No matter.
So I have finished and drawing.
Okay. You have finished drawing and naming. Next day onwards, I'll give you register number and profile photo. Right? Profile photo register number next day onwards, because some of unknown people come into this meeting. Okay, because I send this to your group. Sometimes it is taken by another one, and what is prompted is mobile phone owner's name. That's a big problem. Today, did you see that? Kaudavi, Islamawai kenek, Kauda. Hacker. Who is the hacker? I don't know that. I still don't know it. Lashmika, ඔයා the hacker?
No, sir.
මං හිතන්නේ රිෆ්කි තමයි hacker.
No, sir.
රිෆ්කි තමයි යාවේ hacker කියලා නම වෙනස් කරා. නෑ Afrin. Afrin,
Yes,
You-
sir.
you were the hacker.
No, sir, I'm not the hacker.
Okay. So if you can hack, that's a talent, but that punishable offense. Do you know that? Hacker කෙනෙක් අහුනොත් sorry. Do you remember there's a nice story, there's a nice website in your internet, we call that Kick-Ass Torrent. Okay? Kick-Ass Torrent කියලා website එකක් තිබුණා. That website, so you know these softwares are very expensive. Lakshmika, softwares are very expensive. So we have to purchase these Windows and Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, video editing softwares. We have to pay for them, no? We have to pay. සල්ලි දීලා ගන්න ඕන. But you can see in that your mobile phone stores and what do you call that? Communication centers. They are selling these softwares at very cheap price, very cheap prices. 100 rupees, 50 rupees likewise. ඒ වගේ store එකක් internet එකේ තිබ්බා, website එකක්. What happened? He was subjected to the death penalty. එයාව මරණීය දණ්ඩනයට නියම වුණා මේ softwares මේ illegally distribute කරපු නිසා. Okay? ඉතින් මමත් ඒ දවස්වල අපිටත් ඉගෙන ගන්න කාලේ ලොකු මුදල් නැති හින්දා softwares download කළේ Kick-Ass Torrent කියන වෙබ්සයිට් එකෙන්. ඉතින් ඒවා illegal. Okay, so hack කියන වචනේවත් නම් කරගන්න එපා. ඒ hack කියන වචනේ ගෑවුනත් punishment කරන්න ලංකාවේ authority එකක් දැන් තියෙනවා. හරි? If you do these cyber crimes, computer based criminals, computer වලින් crimes කළොත් you will be punished. I know that I have experienced that. My website was hacked. බලන්න අපේ website එක suspend වෙලා තියෙන්නේ නේද? My website www.apassportscience.com දැන් පේන්නේ නෑනේ. Someone has get into that by hacking my Gmail එක ඇතුළට ගිහිල්ලා එයා ඒකට දාලා illegal content එකක් දාලා. ඉතින් ඒක මකලයි hackers ලගේ හැටි. hackers ලා නෙමෙයි මෝඩයි හරි. තනියම දෙයක් කරගන්න බැරිය. My YouTube channel අපේ වීඩියෝ තියෙන channel එක it was hacked. ඒකත් මකලා දාලා තිබ්බා. So I don't like that hackers. Okay. Good. කවුද ආවේ කියන්න මන් දන්නේ. එහෙම නමක් මං අනිත් දවසේ දැක්කොත් අයින් කරලා දානවා. There are few students today absent. සමහර ශිෂ්‍යෝ අද ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ. Next day onwards සතියට එක දවසක් හරි ආවේ නැත්තම් before coming to the class, if you don't come to my class, you have to inform me that first. එන්නත්තම් කලින් කියන්න ඕන. එහෙමත් කියන්න chance නැහැ. හරි? So you have to come to the class. Okay? Some of the students don't pay their class fees and don't come. Class fee ගෙව්වේ නැතත් පන්තියෙන්ට. So you have to regularly come to the class. එක දවසක් හරි ආවේ නැත්නම් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. What happens to the people who didn't come today? අද ආවේ නැති කට්ටියට මේක පුළුවන්ද?
මේ note එක යාලට miss වෙනවා.
No, sir.
Yes, this note is missed to them. Very good. Rifki. Okay, Lashmika. And I like very much this class. මම මේ class එකට හරි කැමතියි because of
I
good
also, sir.
students. You also like because
Sir, me
you.
too.
Yes.
I love your class.
Yes.
I also
Welcome.
love
Thank
your
you.
class.
ඔයාලා communicate කරනවා මාත් එක්ක. You communicate with me. That's very important. If I ask Lashika, what's this? You answer. So what's Rifki? What's that? You answer. What's Umisha? Then Rumisha, you answer. Afrin answer. Tishan. So all these students here answer. But there are some signal problems. නැත්නම් අමායත් answer කරනවා. Okay, so nice class. Let's continue this. Don't miss even a single class. Okay, now let's move ahead. අපි ඉස්සරහට යමු. Yes, how to keep them in mind. How to keep them in mind. You have to
You
make
have to
a,
time that.
yes, you can make a PowerPoint presentation also. Okay, Rifki, you can make a PowerPoint presentation removing all the naming part. Okay, ඒවා අයින් කරනවා. Only arrows there. Okay, when you click one button and the name appeared. So likewise, you can make a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, let's ask, what's this main root?
Taproot.
Taproot. Here onwards, you have to answer the person I name. මම නමකරන කෙනා අහන්න ඕනේ. Senura, what's this root? Okay, next. Now that's lateral root. Okay, taproot, lateral root. Okay, Rifki, what's this? That's simple question.
The stem
Stem, good.
of the
And-
plant.
Yes, onely. These are only. That's leaves. And you can see, so before leaves, you can see this stem has been branched. Stem is branched. Okay, so we call them branches.
But
Branch, okay, branches. And you can observe this, what's that? Initiation of buds, okay? At the base of these branches, you can see initiation of some buds. These buds are known to be, Rumisha,
Yes, sir.
what's these buds?
Branch.
No, not branch. At the initiation of this branch, you can observe a certain type of buds. What those buds?
So can I say?
Okay, tell it.
Axillary
Axillary.
bud.
Axillary.
Bud.
Bud.
Axillary bud. Okay, tell me another name for that. Just like lateral roots, this is lateral buds. Good. Okay, and you can see, what's this? Flowers.
Flowers.
Flowers becomes
Fruits.
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 Okay, we did not name this part. What's that? Agrastha ankuraya, apical. Apical bud. So that's apical bud. Another term is given, make ඔයගොල්ලන්ට නෑ ඔන්න complex එකක්. If I tell this complex one, you cannot understand. So this is apical meristem. Apical meristem. Apical meristem or apical meristematic tissue. In grade 11, we have to learn this with much details. Okay, that's EM, meristem. Okay, I'll show that to you. Look at this. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, look at
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay, let's see that.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. This is apical bud. Okay, so this my pointer is on apical bud. And if it is zoomed, එයාව zoom කළොත් මෙන්න මේ විදිහට තමයි පේන්නේ. Okay. So this is longitudinal section when you observe that in microscope. Okay. So you can simply search on that apical meristem. There's a huge diagram here. Apical meristem. So we have cut it and observed in microscope and by coloring that. Okay. I stop the share now. Okay, next topic. There's a diversity of the parts of flowering plants. Okay. For instance, apical bud of roses different from the apical bud of mango. Okay. Apical bud of another plant is quietly different from the apical bud of other plants. And these leaves different from the leaves of another plant. So due to these features of plants, okay, the parts of the plants are different from the parts of other plants. Okay, so there's a diversity among parts of the flowering plants. Okay, now take down the topic. Diversity of the parts of flowering plants. Diversity of the parts of flowering plants. Multian, okay, plants with flowers and their parts has a diversity. Okay, take down the topic. Friend, did you take this down?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Me too, sir.
Okay, so now we have taken down the topic diversity
Yes,
of the
sir.
parts of flowering plants. Good. First, we are going to study diversity of, okay, parts is root. Okay, now take down the next. Diversity of the roots. Diversity of the roots. Diversity of the roots. Okay, here we write mainly Pradhana Vasin. Basically, there are two types of root system. Two types of root systems. First one. Mainly there are two types of root systems. Okay. Did you take down this? Mainly there are two types of root systems. First
Yes,
one,
sir.
ඔගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා මොකක්ද? Tap root system. Tap root system. Second type, don't write this, okay? Fibrous root system. Okay, taproot system, look at this. Here's the taproot. Here's the taproot. And you can see the lateral root. Here's the taproot system. Okay, under soil. Okay, so you can see this taproot. taproot. So this is, you know, lateral root. Okay, in the fibrous root system. Okay, now imagine a coconut plant. Friend, have you ever seen a coconut plant?
Yes, sir.
At the time you are living in where? Still in Dubai or
At
Sri
the,
Lanka? Kuwait.
no,
You were in
wait,
Kuwait, no?
yeah. Yes.
At the time? Now?
Now, at what age, sir?
Now you are living in Sri Lanka, still Kuwait?
No, Sri Lanka.
In Sri Lanka. Okay, then
Yes.
you can look around and find a coconut tree. It's like this. You can see the initiation of this fibrous root system. Okay, so it's fibrous. So that's coconut tree. Lacima cramea in paddy plant. Can you see this clearly? Now stop writing and look at this. Now I'm going to draw a paddy plant here. Okay. Paddy plant. And you can observe that fibrous root like this. So here's the fibrous root system, and so this is paddy plant. Okay, paddy plant is in green color. Okay, I'll draw this. Good. Another one, I think you remember that, a vegetable. Rifki, there's a vegetable like this. What?
Onion.
Onion. Lakshika, there's another one like here.
Leeks.
Leeks, good, good. Okay, so they are fibrous root.
Sir,
Fibrous.
should we draw this?
Okay, simply draw this. Senura,
The bamboo.
bamboo, very good. Senura, this is taproot. What's this? Senura, Senura, what's this? This is taproot, this one. Lateral. Arecanut. Yes, arecanut. So there's a fibrous root system. Okay, now draw this. Taproot system, fibrous root system.
So finish drawing.
Okay, son.
Yes, sir.
Good, Lakshika. අපි අනිත් දවසේ ලක්ෂිකට පොඩි පාඩම් කොටසක් උගන්වන්න දෙමු. Lakshika, what do you do? Do you like to take that challenge? Okay, different types of roots. Okay. Yeah, I think you like that. Okay, tell your friends who are absent today. මේ කියන්නේ නැතුව හේතුවක් කියන්නේ නැතුව එන්න නැති කට්ටිය. So I don't like that people without responsibility. Okay, so they know there's a class today, they had to come or they had to inform me. Next day, without informing, I remove them. Okay, so here I stop the class today and I'll send you the video that only for today. Video එකත් මම හැමදාම දෙන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට ඒගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා no matter if you don't come to the class, we have a video at the end of the session. We can have that video, therefore we don't go to the class. Okay.
So I can remember you put the link at 10:28, I think.
Yes, 10:28. So that was earlier lesson, but I have recordings, but I'll never send them. If you personally ask, send me that record, because I want to remind that lesson again as you teach it us. I privately send you the link. Okay, I privately send it because it is not published as kids are there. චූටි ළමයි ඉන්න හින්දා අපි ඒව publish කරන්නේ නැහැ. Only you can see that with the link. If there's no link, no one can see it. Okay, so have a nice day, have a nice night,
Have a nice day,
and
sir.
goodbye, I love you. Nice to be with you.
Thank you,
Okay, welcome.
sir.
Goodbye.